Hello friends, welcome to HTML tutorial series. I right click on the first page.html, open with the notepad, I minimize it. Let me right click once again on the first page.html, open with the Firefox. I maximize the notepad. In the previous tutorial, we understood how we can change the size of a text, how we can change the style of a selected text, how we can apply color to the text. We use the font tag to change the size, style and color of some text. I'm going to select this content from here and I delete. File, save, go to browser, refresh. No content. Now what I do here, I write here hello HTML. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that hello HTML got displayed. I want to increase the font size. I want to increase the size of this complete hello HTML. So what I have to do? I have to use the font tag. Just before this H character, I am going to write font opening tag. After the L character, I am going to write closing font tag. So opening tag indicates the beginning of the selection, and the closing tag indicates the end of the selection. So you can say like you have selected this much text to apply some style. Now if I have to increase the size of the text, I am going to use the size attribute. So size attribute, I assign the value to it in double quotations 7. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that hello HTML got displayed in 7 size. I copy this content from here and paste it down. File, save. Now what happens here is, you should remember that font tag is an inline tag. So inline tags, we know that they are going to take only required amount of space on the browser. So what happens here means this hello HTML get displayed with the size 7. Just in front of this previous HTML. Let me show that. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that this hello HTML got displayed in front of the previous hello HTML. If I have to move this hello HTML to the next line, I have to use the break tag, right? So I write br tag. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that this hello HTML got displayed in the next line. Similarly, if I have to write one more hello HTML, I am going to copy this and paste it. File, save, go to browser, refresh. One more time I got the hello HTML. If I have to change the color of this text, I have to use the color attribute, right? So I give a space, then I write here color equal to. In HTML, there are two ways are there for applying a color. I am going to discuss about color in little bit detail in this tutorial and in the next tutorial. We can apply a value to a color attribute in two different ways. One way is we can use directly the color name itself. So there is a list of color names in HTML. Already predefined color names are there. You can use them directly. Here I can write the color name red. Now what happens? This hello HTML is going to be displayed with red color. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that it has got displayed in the red color. If I want to display this in green color, what I do? I write here color attribute, then I give the value as green. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that this hello HTML got displayed in the green color. I can assign a value here color equal to blue, blue. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that I'm using color names. I copy this from here. Again, I paste. I want to display this hello HTML with another color. Maybe I want to display with black color. File, save, go to browser, refresh. It is in a black color only. I copy this. Again, I paste here down. This time I want to display the text with cyan color. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that it has got displayed with the cyan color. I copy this again and paste it down. This time I am going to display the text in magenta, magenta, magenta color. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that it has got displayed in a magenta color. Let me copy. Here I am going to give the color yellow, yellow. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that hello HTML got displayed in yellow color. I can copy this and paste it once again. Now I am going to display the hello HTML with white color. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Actually the text is got displayed here. You can see that it is in a white color. As background also in a white color, we can't see the text. No problem. Hope you guys have understood how we can use color names directly to apply the color to specific text. There is one more way we can apply the color. One more way we have. That is by using hexadecimal value. Now what is hexadecimal value? For every color there is a hexadecimal value. I discuss about hexadecimal value in detail in the next tutorial. Let me show how we can use hexadecimal values. Okay, let's start. I copy this content from here and I paste just before this tag. Now here if I say like this, first hello HTML will get displayed with the red color. Then this hello HTML is going to be displayed just in front of this hello HTML. Okay. After that we will be having the break tag. Okay. So try to understand. Now let me give here the color as a black. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that hello HTML, this hello HTML got displayed in front of the previous hello HTML which is in the red color. The reason is font tag is a inline tag. It is not going to move the next content to the next line. Understanding? We must and should use the break tag to move the content to the next line. So if I have to move this content to the next line, of course I have to use a break tag. So I copy this, I paste over here only, I paste it in this place. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that hello HTML got displayed in the next line. So what I do now means I am going to paste this content. Okay, I am going to paste this content, copy and paste. Okay, and I move this to the next line. Here I am going to paste, move this to the next line. Here I am going to paste, move this to the next line. Similarly, here I am going to paste, move this to the next line. Here I am going to paste, move this to the next line. Here I am going to paste and move this to the next line. Now what we have here, we have red, then black, then a break, green, black, break, blue, black, break. So file, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that it is going to be displayed something like this. Okay, hope you guys are understanding. Now what I want to display this hello HTML in red color. Here I have used the color name black. Instead of that I can use the red color name. It will get displayed in the red color because already we have seen that it is possible. Instead of that I can use the hexadecimal value. See here what I am doing. I use hash ff0000. Now if I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you will see this text will get displayed in the red color. Can you see that? Now what I want next, I want to display this color, this text into green color. To display this text into the green color, I am going to write here. Instead of that I can use green also. I am not going to use the color name. I am going to use the hexadecimal value. Hash 00ff00. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that this got displayed in the green color, but little bit pure green color we have here. Next what I want this text to be displayed in the blue color. So I am going to use an equivalent blue color hexadecimal value, that is hash 0000ff. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that this text got displayed in the blue color. Next, I want to display this text in the black color itself. Either I can use the color name, right? Or I can use the hexadecimal value. The hexadecimal value for the black color is hash 000000. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that it is displayed in the black color itself. Next, I want to display this hello HTML that I have here in the cyan color. So the hexadecimal value for the cyan color is hash 00FFFF. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that this text got displayed in the cyan color. I move down. I move this also down. Now what I want is, I want to display this text that I have here in the magenta color. So how do we display that? I can use the color name magenta, or I can use the hexadecimal value hash FF00FF. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that this text got displayed in the magenta color. Similarly, I have here another text which is in a black color. I want to display this in yellow color. Either I can use the color name yellow, or I can use the equivalent hexadecimal value, that is hash FFFF00. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that it has got displayed in the yellow color. Now I copy this from here and paste it down. I want to display this hello HTML in a white color. I can use either white color name, or I can use the hexadecimal value hash FFFFF. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You should see here two text which are in white color. So there are two ways are there for applying a color to a text. Either you can use the color name, or you can use the equivalent hexadecimal value. In the next tutorial, I am going to discuss about what actually this hexadecimal value mean. Okay, so for this tutorial, this much is enough, friends. In the next tutorial, we get more information. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. For more benefits, please subscribe, like, comment and share.